vacay family. It's your girl Sean.
It's your boy KC.
And and you're watching Cruising on Vacay Mode.
And if you like cruising like we do, you know what I'm saying, you want to join our family and come on and get some more tips for cruising. If you're new, if you're not new but want to find out new ideas, get over there to our live. We go live every Sunday at 6 p.m. Central Time. So 6 p.m. Central Time, you guys, come over there and hang out with us. We will gladly like to have you in the room so we can be able to chat with you guys and have a personal one-on-one to answer your questions. And if you wanted to get to us sooner, get over there to our Facebook page, Sean and KC on Vacay Mode, to join our group.
So today we're going to talk to you guys about, is cruises family friendly or is it more of a party scene? Well, I mean, they're pretty much both. Like, depends on what cruise ship you get on, because definitely you're going to have lots of family that's going to go cruising.
So if you're on here as a family, you know what I'm saying, they do have cruises just for families and geared around families. Disney does do a lot of family-oriented cruises, as well as Carnival does too, and Royal too. You know, but it just depends on what the ship is and what they offer. So definitely look into your ships.
And especially you want to keep in mind the time of year that you go on the cruises, because you might go spring break time where there's a lot of 20-year-old people on there, and definitely it's going to be a party scene.
Oh, we're going to be partying.
Excuse me, y'all. All day, every day is going to be a party scene. You probably say, oh, wow, I don't know if it's up, but it does depend on the time that you go around. But a cruise ship offers things from ages 2 to age 99, however you want to put it. There's something for everyone to do on there. So you have definitely activities for those that want that party scene in life, and you also have activities, you know, on their own designated activities for the family-friendly parts of it.
So for those that wondering about party scenes, because we talking to y'all party scenes as well as the family, party guys, party ladies. You know what I'm saying? They have nightlife for you. They have live bands for you. If you like Cuban music, they got that. They got shows and stuff like that, you know, that you're interested in. For those that like, you know what I'm saying, to go to the little theater shows, they got a movie theater on board, the IMAX theater. You know what I'm saying? They have plenty of things for you to get into. They also too have a deck party, for, you know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah.
Where y'all can do some line dancing. They also too teach you their line dancing. Carnival has a special cruise line dance that they have. They teach the entire ship, so everybody be rocking. And I know when we were getting on that first day, especially that first day, they have a deck party, you know, bon voyage party.
Oh yeah, that's always fun. And if you're there for something family friendly, I mean, they have all kinds of activities that the kids get into, all kind of crafts and arts that you can do with them. You can take them to the movies. They love the pool. So they do have all sleuths of stuff that's family friendly while you're on a cruise.
Right. They have, like, in the library area, they have game rooms where they have little games and stuff like that, where you can play checkers, dominoes, cards, and stuff like that. If you even want to read a book, even on Carnival, they have a Dr. Seuss area where they have the old school Dr. Seuss books. You know what I'm saying? The Cat in the Hat. They also too, for the kids, to have the little Cat in the Hat breakfast. You would definitely love to take the kids to. You know what I'm saying? And you'd be surprised. There might be some characters that's going to be there. You know what I'm saying? So definitely go over there and check it out. They have plenty of things for the kids and family, you know what I'm saying, to do. And also too for partiers.
So regardless if you're there for the party scene or you're there for family friendly, it's going to be comfortable on either end. So hopefully this video was helpful. It's your girl Sean.
And it's your boy KC. And come by and check us out live every Sunday, 6 p.m. Central Time. You know what I'm saying? So we can answer your questions on cruising, hacks, or different locations that you want to go to. You know, and if you want to get to us quicker, check out our Facebook page. We're on Sean and KC on Vacay Mode group. You know what I'm saying? And come join us, you know, to get to us to answer all your questions.
See you guys next time.
See you on Vacay Mode.